The best Asian braised chicken recipe is here, and it's a Lao dish called Ob Gai. Aromatics like lemongrass, shallots, ginger, and lime leaves are sauteed to infuse the chicken with flavor. As it slowly braises, the fish sauce and seasoning sauce soak into every tender piece. This is a dish that will bring all the comfort into each bite. Sabaydi Pinong, hi fam, welcome back to Saeng's Kitchen. Today we're making a Lao slow braised chicken dish, which is so comforting and so aromatic that I'm excited to share with you all because it's one of those dishes that have all the Lao flavors, and it's not as common in terms of those comfort dishes at home because it takes a little bit longer than usual. So if you have some time, take it slow. This is the perfect dish to make at home. Before we get into this recipe, I have a Lao cookbook coming out soon, and the pre-orders are coming out this year. So please subscribe to my email newsletter to find out the bonuses, cookbook tour, and the different events that I'll be doing regarding the cookbook. And I'll probably be coming to a city near you. And I actually did a recent San Diego event at the Lao Food Festival to do a little preview of the cookbook and the flavor. So I'm gonna roll to that clip. So we went to the Lao Food Festival in San Diego this past weekend, and that's why I'm kind of tan / burnt. I didn't realize I can get sunburned, but I can. But Galabao went as well, and we had so much fun. So I'm gonna share some of the behind the scenes and things we ate, because I hope you all join us next year. So save it in the date, June 2026. See you at the Lao Food Festival. Okay, back to the recipe. The first step is to prepare your lemongrass, and what you're gonna do is peel out the first 2 outer layers, and this one's already done. And now with your lemongrass, we're gonna cut it on a bias. And so that means just slightly angle it and then thinly slice it. Did you know that lemongrass not only adds amazing flavors to your cooking, but also repels insects? In Lao cooking, lemongrass adds a subtle and nice touch of citrusy aroma to every dish. And in these plants, there's actually citronella oil, which is used in candles or sprays to help repel the bugs. So next time you're cooking with lemongrass, know that you're gonna add amazing flavors to your dishes and also repel those dangerous and maybe just annoying bugs. The next step is to prepare your chicken. So we're gonna get a large pot like this and then just put it on high heat for now. And then I'm gonna add some vegetable oil. And I'm just gonna let this heat up for a couple of seconds. And now we have the chicken thigh, and you wanna make sure you use chicken thigh with bone on, skin on. So I'm gonna first put it in skin side down. So we're gonna let this cook for about 3 minutes and then flip. So it's been about 3 minutes and we wanna check on it. And you wanna get a nice color like this. Oh, that's beautiful. Go ahead and flip it and then carefully flip the other one. The skin might be sticking to the bottom, so you wanna be gentle when you're flipping. Beautiful, ooh. And then we'll do another 3 minutes. Everything's looking good. We're gonna turn this down to low. And then you wanna take out your chicken pieces. Look at that, beautiful. And I'm just placing it in a small bowl. So now put the chicken to the side, make sure it's on low, and the first thing you're gonna add is that cut up lemongrass. And you're gonna saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes because lemongrass takes a little bit longer to cook. Ooh, the fragrance, it smells so good. I'm happy with my lemongrass. It looks like a nice light golden color. Next, I'm gonna add all my other aromatics. So we have the sliced up ginger, the smashed garlic, thinly sliced shallots, and then the Szechuan peppercorn, macan. And lastly, we have some lime leaves. So go ahead and mix that. And you're gonna wake up those aromatics with the oil. So it's like lightly golden. And so now we're gonna add some water to deglaze. So we have all those flavors just mixing together. You add the water right in. Ooh, that looks so good. And then we are gonna flavor this up. So we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and lastly 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. I'm gonna turn this back to medium heat to get it to a simmer, and then go ahead and add the mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms develop an even natural, deeper umami flavor when they are dried, and that's the natural glutamate in them, which is MSG. So when you rehydrate these mushrooms, that soaking liquid becomes a perfect savor and umami stock. It's like getting 2 ingredients in one, the mushroom and the stock. So good. Fresh bird-eye chili peppers. I'm gonna turn this up to high heat and get it to a simmer. What I'm gonna do now is grab the chicken, and you wanna put the skin side down first. And now we're gonna let this simmer on low heat for 30 minutes and put a lid on top. All right, so 30 minutes are over, and let's check. Ooh, that's good. So we're gonna go ahead and flip each piece. Okay, so I flipped it, and now I'm gonna put the lid on and cook for another 30 minutes on low heat. Okay, so it's been a total of 60 minutes. Let's check on it. Wow, that looks so good. Look at this, the thickened soup. You just drizzle it on top. It's like... We're almost done, and the final step is to add shredded green onions. Put that over there. So one last time, let's let this cook for about 2 minutes. All right, so it should be done. Wow, that looks so good. So I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna grab some rice, and then we're gonna eat. Look at that. Oh, it's glistening and just gorgeous. Want some? That looks so good. Right, let's dig in and see how this is. Whoa, you saw that. Oh my gosh. It is super tender. Oh, I'm gonna grab a spoon full of rice. Put them on top. Look at that, perfect bite. It's time to dig in. Let's see how it is. Oh my God. That's good. I love the aromatic flavors in there. The sauce just like goes throughout the rice and fuses with everything. It's so perfect. And 1 hour for chicken is perfect when it comes to being tender. That's how I like it. Not over, not under. Wow. Okay, I have to give the mushrooms a try and let you all know. Oh my God. Oh my God. Actually, I might like the mushrooms even more than the chicken. It still has that bouncy mushroom taste, but it has absorbed all the aromatic flavors and the umami-ness. And still silky from the shiitake mushroom. And every once in a while you'll get a kick of the pepper, so you'll get heat from the left and the right side, and you'll never know where it's coming from. 10 out of 10. Y'all gotta try it. It's just so beautifully created where it just has all the flavors of Laos into every bite. This is what I call so good, so delicious, and so umami. Khop chai lai lai. Thank you so much, friends, for watching, and comment below on your thoughts on this Ob Gai recipe. And if you want more Lao recipes, please comment, share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time on Saeng's Kitchen. Bye! I have a surprise for you all. Surprise! It is Galabao's birthday, and she grew hair. Look at that long hair she has. She loves wigs, she loves hats, because it is her birthday and she can do whatever she wants. So I would love for y'all to wish her a happy birthday below. Galabao, tell your fans, Sabaidi and Khop chai.